Former Attorney General Bill Barr is furious, just absolutely furious, about Republicans out there not only attacking the FBI, but also pandering to the outrage in this country. It just makes the man sick. And perhaps that's because they're not doing it as good as he did when he was the Attorney General of the United States. So let's start at the beginning, of course. Last week on Bari Weiss's podcast, Bill Barr shows up and he's asked questions. Well, here's the question. Why should we trust them anymore? Referring, of course, to the FBI DOJ, Bari Weiss asks. You still give them credit, you still give them the benefit of the doubt, but many other people in your party don't. So this is what Bill Barr responded with. Well, the Russiagate thing, I think, to the extent the FBI was misused, was decisions made toward by high-level officials in the FBI. I don't think that Chris Wray is that type of leader, nor do I think the people around Chris Wray are those types of leaders. I think there are problems in the FBI, but it's not that. It's not the Chris Wray. Wray is going to wake up and say, how do I throw the FBI's weight around to interfere in the political process? Just the opposite. I think he's very cautious about that. So Bill Barr, based on this statement, he doesn't like that Republicans are out there attacking these institutions that are doing these investigations and following the letter of the law by doing it. That's just not fair. How could you undermine a federal investigation, he seems to be implying. Well, gee, I don't know, Bill Barr. Why don't you tell us? Because according to a court ruling a little over a week ago, that's exactly what you did. Not this past Friday, but the Friday before, in case you weren't following along with that, because there's so many crazy stories out there. A federal court in Washington, D.C., ruled that Bill Barr lied to the American public about what was actually in the Mueller report. And of course, we all remember Bill Barr got up on that podium, told us, the report says Trump committed no crimes. And then he added, of course, there can't be any obstruction, because there's no obstruction with no crime, which isn't even how the law works. You can have obstruction without a crime. Impeding an investigation in any way, even when you haven't done anything wrong, is criminal. Bill Barr knows that, but he was lying to the public about that as well. And of course, the Mueller report outlined 10 instances where they showed Donald Trump obstructed justice. So Bill Barr lied to the American public, undermined a Department of Justice investigation, and now he's pissed off that Republicans are out there doing the same thing that he did while he was Attorney General? Literally for the same guy that he did it for? I mean, you went out there and lied to the public for Trump, and of course the DOJ's also released memos that prove you lied to the public about Donald Trump and the DOJ investigation. But now that other Republicans are lying about the DOJ and the FBI to protect Trump, like suddenly now it's bad. Like, don't you dare do this. You did it, my guy. You perfected this. Let's also not forget, had you not done that, we probably could have had impeachment hearings that may have resulted in Trump being removed from office. So in a way, the fact that he even had the documents at Mar-a-Lago to begin with that sparked this investigation, technically, that's on you, because you could have gotten the guy out of office so that none of that could have even happened. So don't sit there and bitch and whine and moan that, Republicans are attacking these institutions. They have problems, but they're not bad, when you're the one who gave them the blueprint on how to do it. Hey, everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel. We also encourage you to like, comment, and share. But again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.